to match the state's top corporate tax rate to that of New Jersey. We are at 7.25%. They're at 11.5%. Corporations can pay it over there. They can pay it over here. The second is taxing the top 1% of New Yorkers. We're talking about people who make $1 million a year or more, taxing them just by a flat 2% tax increase.
High-income earners are the primary tax base of the United States. There is a common sentiment of quote-unquote taxing the rich, but what people don't realize is when it comes to the taxpayer base, the top 10% actually pay over 70% of total income taxes. In this video, Mamdani did specify that he wanted to tax people making $1 million or more. But a lot of times when people talk about these things, they're speaking in generalities. You don't know if they're talking about someone making 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 or more. You don't know. And another thing that people don't realize is all the tax code is just an incentive structure to make people want or encourage to do certain things. If you create a business and you hire employees, you get tax deductions. If you buy real estate, you get to use things like depreciation deduction. If you use different types of tax codes like 401ks, Roth accounts, things like that, you get tax benefits. So it's not necessarily bad to protect yourself from taxes. And all the tax code does is incentivize you for making certain decisions correctly. And in matter of fact, you should be looking to pay the least amount of taxes that you legally can so you could have more money for you and your family. If you're looking for content where you can learn about lowering your taxes and tax advantages, how to improve your retirement, and how to improve your financial situation, this is the perfect channel for you because I go over a lot of these concepts in detail. And I actually have a YouTube channel where I break down a lot of these concepts, and you could have it in a more digestible format where I'm talking about these concepts for 10 to 20 minutes long. So if you're trying to optimize your finances, make sure you follow this page.